I send the pestilence and plague into your house, into your bed, into your streams, into your streets, into your drink, into your bread, upon your cattle, on your sheep, upon your oxen, in your field, into your dreams, into your sleep, until you break, until you hear. I send the sword, I send the sword, thus saith the Lord.
Once I called you brother. Once I thought the chance to make you laugh was all I ever wanted.
From the sky I send the fire raining down.
And even now I wish that God had chose another. Serving as your foe on his behalf is the last thing that I wanted.
Burning ice on every hill, on every town.
This was my home. All this pain and devastation, how it tortures me inside. All the innocent who suffer from your stubbornness and pride.
I send the darkness on a wind such as the world has never seen. On every leaf, on every stalk, until there's nothing left to read. I send my sword, I send my sword, thus saith the Lord.
Who I called brother, why must you call down another blow?
I send my sword, I send my sword.
Let my people go.
Old brother, how could you have come to hate me so? Is this what you wanted?
I send the sword, I send the
Then let my heart be hardened, and never mind how high the toss may grow. This will still be so. I will never let